Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this video, our guest is Shadow Hills from Plugin Alliance. This is a dual compressor, one optical, one VCA. The VCA is called discrete in here, so everywhere you saw discrete, it is exactly solid state compressor that is being used in this hardware that you can find in the software too. I have used this compressor on mastering track for glue and a little bit of limiting from discrete part. So the left VU meter shows optical compressor, the right VU meter shows VCA. Let's go and check how it sounds in the song.
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوشه خاک خورد بی کسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار اون شاید الان راضی تر از قبلی راضی تری باید و گفتی که اون چند سال فقط یه نمایش بود تئاتر قلب من و شما بازیگری کارت
So the tube compressor is used for the glue purpose here, and it adds harmonic saturation to lower frequencies, adds punch, and I really like that punch. It controls foreground instruments and brings background instruments up. The song is a little bit wider with this compressor. In general, it's good, and you won't go wrong with tube compressor in this simulation from Plugin Alliance. I have not used other simulations. This is what I have. Discrete could be a little bit tricky. If you know what you want, you could gain it from the discrete compression, but the optical compression, I think, would be my to-go for mastering bus. Of course, there are some compressors that are designed to bus processing, like SSL G-Comp from Waves or whatever simulation from SSL 4K, consoles compressors, bus compressors. But I like tube compressors on mastering because they add color, they add warmth, they add presence, they add width and control harshness, of course. And you would have richer, higher frequencies. It's like they are saturated, they are wider, they are controlled, everything good at the same time. But one of the great features that I saw in this compressor is around here. As you can see, there are 3 modes for saturation. You could set it for input or output, and from these handles you can control what type of characteristic you want from this saturation. So let's go check from top to bottom.
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوشه خاک خورد بی کسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار اون شاید الان راضی تر از قبلی راضی تری باید و گفتی که اون چند سال فقط یه نمایش بود تئاتر قلب من و شما بازیگری کارت.
It's funny, the higher one has better clarity and better high frequencies. As you come to lower one, the last one, it goes down and you have a wider song but a little bit far from the listener, and wider, bigger, the stereo field changes in each mode. So you have a lot of possibilities, a lot of musical possibilities. I said at the first of this video, you can't go wrong with this tube compressor, with this optical compressor. And these saturation simulations will make your mastering even easier. After bringing a compressor, you might need saturation or something musical and clean. This offers them to you. For this song specifically, I have chosen the middle one, but let's check again.
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوشه خاک خورد بی کسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار اون شاید الان راضی تر از قبلی راضی تری باید و
The middle one has excitement, more excitement to it. I like it, especially when chorus starts. I want that excitement to get enhanced, be more present. That excitement is what I like in this song, in this mix. This is one of my own songs, by the way. If you don't understand the language, it's written in Farsi or Persian, as you know. And that's it. My friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.